Hey ShockBox, how's it going? Welcome to another video. My name's Ollie and yes, I'm flying tomorrow. I'm going off to Poland and I have no time to explain the format or go into any of that, so just stick with me. We're going to be checking out a mystery unboxing that I got sent today. It's very exciting because I never get sent products. This is my second product that I've been sent. So shout out to whoever sent this to me. I'll link to the product, whatever it is, down in the description. And I believe this is one of two. So we may get another one in a little bit, which means we've got three technically on the way, which is great. Quick shout out to the shelf, the shelf of justice. I don't know, the shelf needs rearranging. I know if you have any suggestions on things I should put on that shelf, let me know in the comments and we'll go from there. But let's get on and open this up. Oh, lots of bubble wrap. All right, and now we're left with this tiny little box. Okay, so this is one of two. Do great things come in big in small packages? What is this? Huh. That's kind of cool. There's no information here, but it's got a USB-C thing on the end and different ports, HDMI, normal USB-A style and a standard USB-C. So this is a tiny little dock. Okay, so I had to get my MacBook, check my emails and find out who this is from, what it is. And now that I know, it makes a lot of sense. So we're gonna play a little game, you and me, and we're gonna see how quickly you work out what it is. So this is from a company called Dongi, and here are some clues of what it does. The first clue, it's out there. This probably doesn't help you, but nothing? Okay, you weren't supposed to really get that, but here's my next clue. Ah, okay, so if I put this on the desk, it will give it away. So this is the Nintendo Switch dock. For those of you, most of you know, I hope, you put that in there to play your Switch games on a big TV. So what this company has done, Dongi, has made, apparently it says it's the world's first. I can't confirm that because I don't pay that much attention to the Nintendo accessories market. But apparently this has Bluetooth 5.0 for audio devices, which is really, really cool. USB 65 watt charging port. So you can get your, your HDMI cable in there, plug that in, and get your power cable, plug that in, and then you plug that into your Switch, like so, leave it on the side, and then you've got yourself a charger, like a mini dock for the Switch. In fact, you can even play, this is why I got this out. Look at that, it's genius. Wait, and you can see it's charging. Haven't played my Switch in a while. Has the battery life of old school calculator, but there we go. So now I can connect Bluetooth headphones, supposedly, I'll test that in a minute. I can power it and run a HDMI, and I don't have to carry this around in my backpack to make it work. So that is absolutely a lifesaver. Now there is, I said at the start of this video, this is a one of two delivery. So I'll show you that when it arrives, but yeah, for now, this is pretty cool. This says it's $29. Okay, that's actually pretty cheap. Yeah, apparently it outputs 4K at 60 Hertz. That's more than enough for Nintendo Switch. And it has the fast charging. That's so good. And the Bluetooth. I gotta see if that Bluetooth thing works though. Just waiting for the Switch to turn on. Okay, so stop what you're doing. Don't click off the video because I've given you some false information. After doing some testing, I realized I kind of got it wrong. But it's fine. These things happen. So on the website, it does actually only give me one price, which should have been my first clue, but I'm assuming both these accessories come together, so you won't have the issue I have. But I, like you saw just now, assume this worked, that it plugged into the bottom like so, and then you plugged everything else like your power, your HDMI, but that's not how it works. How it actually works, and I don't know if I like this, honestly. It's not as cool, like, hang on. This would have been a nifty solution. but I think maybe it was a little bit unreasonable in hindsight. So how this actually works is this goes into a wall. There's an adapter that comes with it, and I'll show you that when it finally arrives. But so what you do is you get a USB-C cable, plug that into the switch. So, I mean, I don't know if this comes with a cable. This hasn't launched yet. I didn't get any retail packaging, as you saw. So I don't know whether or not that cable's included. Probably will be included, but I don't know. And then you plug your HDMI in, like so, and that plugs into the wall. So the reason why I found this out is when I plugged it all in as I thought, which was kind of like this. It was charging, actually. It was charging the device, which is weird if it isn't supposed to work like that. So it charged the device, but the HDMI, there was nothing on the screen, and I thought maybe, oh, it doesn't actually work, which is a bummer. But actually looking at the website in a bit more detail, it's meant to go that way around. So yeah, not as sleek as I originally thought, but having said that, even if with the power brick it works, it's still better than this, you know. And its 65-watt charger is, I think, the fastest Nintendo Switch charger you can get at the moment, so it's pretty cool. It's better and faster and cheaper than the Nintendo charger. It's kind of like a no-brainer, but I mean, that is completely yet to be seen because I haven't tested the full product. But this is, I guess, a half unboxing. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you want to keep watching, there's this video, which honestly was pretty cool, so I suggest you go and watch it. If you haven't already, subscribe so we can get more equipment and make more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.